What's up, y'all? It's Simply Amaka, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 2 feet in braids with ombre added towards the end. I'm going to be using color 1 in this Ruwa Expressions brand, as well as this dope green color in the Queen Bee braiding brand. You already know your girl had to bring out the Hicks edge control, as well as the 24-hour edge tamer by Ebin. You'll also need a parting comb as well as a wide tooth comb. Oh yeah, and don't forget your scissors because you'll be needing that towards the end. You will need to have your hair separated from smallest to biggest. I did about 10 to 11 pieces of the black and about 3 to 5 pieces of the green. I went ahead and parted my hair down the middle. Shout out to my roomie because I was not about to be able to get it that straight. I'm using the hex edge control. I'm going to coat this right side with edge control. So I'm going to start by laying my edges. I'm going to use the 24-hour edge tamer by Ebin. So I'm going to start this braiding process. I'm going to divide my real hair into 3 sections. I'm going to start by braiding my real hair first. I braid this about 3 or 4 times before I start adding in the braiding hair. So I'm going to start adding in the braiding hair. I usually braid about 2 times before I start adding in the braiding hair to the right side, which is the 3rd section of hair. That's where I'm going to keep feeding each braiding hair in every time. As you can see, I'm trying to be very neat, so I'm gonna just, fix my edges up while I'm braiding and make sure I'm braiding tight, but not too tight to rip out your hair and your edges. You're gonna be bald with no edges. Add a little bit of edge control while I'm braiding so my hair can blend better with the braiding hair. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Watch the process, and if you will like more braiding styles like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below which other styles you would like to see. Okay, so when you get to the cutting part, make sure you're not cutting it very blunt. I usually cut downwards so it can still be a feathered look at the end before you start adding in the green hair. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll be making more videos like this.